Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. I'm Amber, and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Bruno. Thank you for listening and learning English with us.
If this is your first time here, welcome. If you listen every day, welcome back.
Before we begin, please take one small moment. Like this video, subscribe to our channel.
This helps more learners find simple and friendly English, and it helps you practice again tomorrow.
All right, today we talk about motivation.
Yes, motivation in learning English.
How to keep going when English feels slow.
How to continue when you feel tired.
And how to enjoy learning English step by step.
Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are in the right place.
Learning English is not easy.
And that is okay.
It is normal to feel tired.
It is normal to feel slow.
It is normal to feel confused sometimes.
If you feel this way, you are not alone.
Every English learner feels this.
Let's say this together slowly.
Learning English takes time.
Repeat with us.
Learning English takes time.
Good job. That sentence is very important.
Many learners think they must be perfect.
They think they must speak fast.
They think they must know every word.
But that is not true.
Progress does not come from perfection.
Progress comes from continuing.
Step by step.
Little by little.
Motivation is not loud.
It is not magic.
Motivation is quiet.
It is a small voice inside you.
It says, try again.
Listen first.
Try again.
Now repeat.
Try again.
Great job.
It also says, just one more minute.
Listen.
Just one more minute.
Repeat.
Just one more minute.
Very good.
Sometimes 1 minute is enough.
5 minutes is enough.
You do not need 1 hour.
You just need to start.
Let's give a real example.
Okay.
You come home from work.
You feel tired.
You think, I don't want to study English.
That feeling is normal.
Instead of stopping, you listen for 5 minutes.
You listen to one short dialogue.
You repeat one sentence.
That is a win.
Let's say it together.
5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Repeat.
5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about your reason.
Your reason is why you learn English.
Everyone has a different reason.
Some people learn English for work.
Some learn for travel.
Some learn to talk with people online.
Some learn because English is fun.
All reasons are good.
Your reason gives you strength.
When you feel tired, remember your reason.
Let's practice with examples.
My reason is work.
I want to speak English at my job.
Good example.
My reason is travel.
I want to order food and ask for help.
Now it's your turn.
Why do you learn English?
Think about it.
Say it quietly.
Or say it out loud.
Your reason matters.
Another important tip is to make learning easy.
Do not wait for the perfect time.
Do not wait for perfect energy.
Just make it easy to start.
Put your English book on your desk.
Save an English video on your phone.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Starting is the goal.
Not perfection.
Now let's talk about kindness.
Be kind to yourself.
Do not say, I am bad at English.
Do not say, I am too slow.
Instead, say this.
I am learning.
Repeat.
I am learning.
Good job.
Say this.
I am trying.
Repeat.
I am trying.
Excellent.
Say this.
I am improving.
Repeat.
I am improving.
Yes, you are.
Now let's talk about small wins.
Small wins are very important.
Did you listen today?
That is a win.
Did you learn one new word?
That is a win too.
Did you repeat one sentence?
That is a win too.
Celebrate small wins.
Smile,
Say good job to yourself.
because you deserve it.
Now we will speak a little longer.
Still slow.
Still clear.
Sometimes learners ask, "Am I improving?"
They feel stuck.
But progress is often quiet.
You may not see it today.
But it is happening.
One way to see progress is writing.
Keep a small notebook.
Write one sentence a day.
For example, today I listened to English.
Or, today I learned the word motivation.
After 1 month, read again.
You will feel proud.
Another way is recording your voice.
Use your phone.
Say a simple sentence.
Hello, my name is Alex. I am learning English.
Record it today.
Record again next week.
Listen and compare.
You will hear improvement.
Another sign of progress is understanding.
You understand one sentence in a video.
You understand this podcast better.
These are big wins, even if they feel small.
Now, let's talk about mistakes.
Many learners are afraid of mistakes.
They don't want to speak.
But mistakes help you learn.
Mistakes are teachers.
A baby falls when learning to walk.
But the baby keeps trying.
You are doing the same with English.
Speak anyway.
Practice anyway.
You are brave.
Learning can also be fun.
You can listen to music.
You can watch short videos.
You can speak to yourself.
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
That is real English.
Real English is useful.
When learning is fun, you learn more.
Now let's talk about your future.
English opens doors.
It connects you to the world.
You can make new friends.
You can travel with confidence.
You can find new jobs.
English gives you choices.
Even slow learning changes your life.
Every small step matters.
You reached the end of today's episode.
That is a big win.
Today, we talked about motivation,
Small steps.
being kind to yourself,
Learning English is a journey.
not a race.
Go at your speed.
We are proud of you.
Before we go, we have a question.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up in the morning? And do you study English in the morning or at night?
We want to hear from you.
See you next time.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and keep believing in yourself.